Hey insulators, we are on the job site here in Fairhope, Alabama. This is Hap and his son Peter. They own Happy Home Insulation. We've talked on the phone for a long time, for a few years here now.
Yeah, and you've been quite helpful sometimes over the phone.
You'll see Hap comment and like on all of our social media. So here he is. He's one of our great supporters, and we're thankful for him. They've got a CM1500HP with an upgraded shredder unit. Peter, tell us a little bit about your business and what you guys do, how long you've been in business.
Been in business, 48 years almost here, 47, 48 years. Family owned and operated. It's a nice upgrade having the new CM1500. We're used to 30-year-old equipment. I've been keeping running over and over again. It sprays good on the walls, atomizes everything pretty good. Got some great volume in the attic. Not too crazy dusty or anything like that. Blows good volume. So yeah, we've been overall pleased with it so far.
You're doing this the manual hard way, and you're very efficient, and it looks great. Walls look great. It's cleaning up very nicely behind you. Mm-hmm. So you guys are moving along pretty well. What do you think about the whole process here? What drew you over to a cool machine?
I guess just the ease of it. I mean, it's simple, pretty much plug and play. You know, turn a few dials and you're ready to go. It's not difficult. I feel like almost anybody could do it. You know, you don't have to have a whole lot of crazy training.
Peter said we had some old equipment. We've been using the machine is actually 47 years old, and he's been having to do a lot of upkeep on it. But good machine, but we're moving up, I think. Good. Peter tells me the attic crew can't keep up with the machine.
Yeah, I mean, and we've got an old, I don't know, how is it, Crandall, 30 years old?
30 years, yeah.
Crandall 500 in that other truck. And we'll probably looking to upgrade it pretty soon to another, CM1500. Just
there you go, sir.
Just to help with our productivity and everything like that.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I really appreciate your business and getting to meet you guys finally.